Welcome, in front of me I have OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can add widgets. So you have to click and hold your home screen, then pick widgets. And for example, I'm going to add this digital clock. So click, hold, and then I'm gonna put it here at the bottom, just like that. And as you can see, you can move also this widget for another screen. You can click on it once and your clock will be open. And also we can just click, hold it. When you release, you can change size of this widget. And if you want to turn it off, just click, hold, and then drag here to remove. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.